From the center of the universe, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, this is the SDM Show with your host, Rob Cairns. The SDM Show focuses on business, life, productivity, digital marketing, WordPress, and more. Sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy the show. Here is Rob.
Hey everybody, Rob Cairns here. I'm the founder, CEO, and chief creator of Amazing Ideas at Stunning Digital Marketing. In this podcast, I give a quick tip on one WordPress task that you should do to start your year off properly. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tip. Hey everybody, Rob here again. In today's quick podcast tip, I want to give you a WordPress task that you should do to start the year off properly with your WordPress websites. I talk a lot about maintenance and how it matters to a WordPress website. And frankly, it's like driving a car. If you don't put oil in the engine, what happens? The car doesn't function. If you don't change the oil, what happens? The car doesn't function well. And one of the things people tend to do, especially small business owners, is they don't maintain their WordPress website really well. What I'd say to anybody is if you need some help, feel free to reach out anytime, VIP at stunningdigitalmarketing.com. I'd be glad to help you out with that. But on to the tip. So one of the things I think you should do every year or a couple of times a year is take a look at the plugins and themes on your WordPress website, in your WordPress dashboard, and check and make sure those plugins and themes are actually being used. And if you're not using those plugins or themes, it's time to delete them. Couple reasons. Why maintain something that you're not using? But also, more importantly, plugins and themes that are not used tend not to get updated properly. And when you don't update software properly, what it results in is possible security vulnerabilities. And we all know that software and themes and plugins that is not updated properly with security vulnerabilities leads to hack attempts by script kiddies. And that frankly means that your website can be hacked easily or more easily than if it was locked down. And one of the ways to lock down is get rid of the stuff you're not using. The other benefit to get rid of the stuff you're not using is speed. I actually believe in running my websites as lean as I can run them for speed reasons. So extra stuff or extra garbage, frankly, leads to speed issues. So do it now. Go into your WordPress dashboard, go into the plugins, and get rid of any plugins that aren't being used, and the same in the themes. You'll be glad you did. Rob Cairns, founder, CEO, and chief creator of Amazing Ideas at Stunning Digital Marketing, talking about a quick, easy win for your website maintenance. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now. Thank you for listening to this edition of the SDM Show. The SDM Show is brought to you by Rob Cairns and Stunning Digital Marketing. For more information about Rob Cairns and Stunning Digital Marketing, go to stunningdigitalmarketing.info. From here, you can connect to us on social media, go to our website, and even go to the podcast to subscribe. This podcast is dedicated to my late father, Bruce Cairns. Dad, I miss you very much. Keep your feet on the ground. Keep reaching for the stars. Make your business succeed.